Greetings and welcome to On the Move with Dave B's Kitchen. Please pardon the wind noise as I'm doing voiceovers on the beach. Today we're going to be making a Cordon Bleu omelette. This morning, Melanie's going to take a pass on the specialty omelet and stick with her 1 egg, 2 white omelet option. Yes, it is true, Melanie prefers Pam over the butter and olive oil option. Melanie's omelet is ready to be plated. Melanie has a rule that we must consume the leftovers before we can make a grocery run. So last night's chicken parm will be put to good use in our Cordon Bleu omelet. We start off with a couple of tablespoons of butter and equal parts olive oil. Then we'll add 5 to 6 tablespoons of ham and some bell pepper, along with some jalapeno and long hot peppers. We will add a little bit of hot sauce to 3 whole eggs, a couple grinds of pepper, and after our veggies have some color, we'll add the egg mixture to the veggies. After the eggs have a little color on the bottom, we'll give it a quick flip, add some cheddar cheese, add our leftover chicken parm from last night, and then we'll fold it over and plate it.